النهارده بقى انا جايب لكم فيديو جديد ومختلف تماما عن كل الفيديوهات اللي انا قدمتها قبل كده. الفيديو ده جالي من صديق عزيز ليا في انجلترا، تحديدا في لندن في مرسيدس بنز اكسبيرينس سنتر. الفيديو بتاع النهارده ده تجربة عملية للمرسيدس بنز AMG C63. طبعا عربية جبارة، هنشوف كل حاجة في العربية دي من ناحية الأداء. يعني احنا هنشوف التراك بتاع المرسيدس بنز ميوزيوم أو مرسيدس بنز عفوا اللي هو اكسبيرينس سنتر، متكون من 4 مراحل هنشوفهم كل مرحلة بيهم، أو كل مرحلة فيهم بتشوف العربية وبتحطها تحت ضغط مختلف عن التراك أو الجزء اللي قبله. فتابعوني وخليكم متابعين الفيديو ده كويس أوي من الأول للآخر، وصدقوني هتشوفوا فيديو هيعجبكم جدا جدا جدا.
The E280.
Nice. I like
Back
it.
in Egypt,
I like the
these cars
style.
are quite expensive.
I like the style. Yeah. So Osama, yeah.
Yes.
So how long have you been over here?
I've been here since 6th of September.
Oh, so you've only just come here.
Yes. My first destination was Spain.
And is this your first trip?
I heard about it when I was in Germany, and I was excited to visit it.
And it's your first trip to
I
UK?
came. Oh yes, first trip to London.
First trip to, but you've
Yes.
been to the UK before?
No. I mean in general.
In general, it's the first trip to England, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Well, welcome, and I'm sorry about our Queen, and at least you're gonna pop into London for the funeral, yeah?
Yes, I live in London currently.
Yeah. So you're gonna go out
Yes,
into the streets?
it's almost like 20 minutes near me. So
Whereabouts are you in London? Whereabouts?
Near Tower of London.
You're okay. Okay. TC, can we have a little bit of water on the wet circle, please? So this is our wet circle, okay?
Yes.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn everything off, okay?
No ABS, no traction.
I'm going to have everything off, okay? So I'm going to put you in the manual mode. So second gear, just touch the throttle. Ready? Watch me just touch the throttle. Ready?
Oh my God.
And then I've just backed off the throttle, and I'm just controlling it by look. I'm just literally doing that with my foot. Ready? Look at my hand. Just touching, fluctuating by about one millimetre. See?
Yes.
Okay.
How many horsepower?
About 510.
That's quite a lot.
Yeah. So it's a 4 litre V8. Obviously rear-wheel drive car. This car.
Mine was 230 horsepower.
Still a lot. 230.
Yeah.
Still a lot.
But 4-speed manual, automatic, so it's like nothing compared to this.
Feel good? Yeah, see that? Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to give it a little bit of too much power. Ready? So, ready? I'm going to boot the throttle and not react. Ready? Oh no!
Oh my God!
What's happened?
360.
So, driving aids on. Ready?
Yes.
Flat to the floor. Second gear, flat to the floor. Won't allow me to spin.
Why is it?
ESP, traction control,
okay.
everything is on. Look. Come on, spin, will you spin?
Why it doesn't listen?
Because I've got the traction and the ESP, so
okay.
all the systems are on. Systems are activated.
So
now,
they like doesn't let you allow.
won't let you, so turn everything off. Okay, ready? Accelerate really slowly, yeah? Into second gear, ready?
Yes.
Whoa, whoa. Bring it
side.
Throttle does the rear, steering does the front.
Yes.
And what we can do now, so just boot it here. There we go. And watch the grip. Boom. That's instant grip. That's the grip on the tarmac. Boom. So yeah. So you can see how grippy it is.
Yes.
Right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go on to North, which is our North circuit. We're going to have some traction, okay?
Okay.
We're going to have some traction. So, hold on, don't touch the brake pedal though.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So if you feel sick, you just say.
Okay.
Alright. So this is like a nice fast step, second, third gear.
Oh
So
my God.
We're going to turn in. Okay, so here we go.
This
Here we
is
go.
quite amazing.
Here we go. Whoa! And then we down to second gear. We turn here with Simon. Balance on the throttle. Short shift to third.
Oh my God. Oh. Amazing driving skills you have.
Thank you. Ready? A little bit of gas.
I'm really impressed.
Hey. Right, we turn here. Power. Feel the track. A little bit of traction kicking in. Just dab on the brake just to get the front turned in. Get on the gas. Smooth on the brake. Off the brake, turn. Unwind the steering wheel. We're in third gear. Let's short shift to fourth. Flat to fourth. Okay, let's go down 2 gears. Dun dun. F1 style. Second gear. Second. Balance on the throttle. Third. Fourth. Flat to the floor. No lift. Ready? Out to the white line. 101 miles an hour.
Oh my God.
Pick up the throttle. Little bit of a slide on the brakes and off. Turn. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. And then we accelerate. Turn.
Oh my
Turn
God.
steep. Okay.
That's amazing.
Okay. Pick up the gas. Smooth on the brake. Turn. Down on the brakes and off. There we go. Turn. Get her turned in. Get her turned. There we go. Pick up the gas. Oh, smooth on the brakes. Down to second gear. Patient on the throttle. Third. Fourth gear. Flat to the floor. There we go. Turn it in. Oh, a little bit of
It's really fast. That's really, really nice.
We turn here. Get on the gas. Light on the brake. Off the brake. Get it turned. Get it turned. Flat to the floor. Feel the traction kicking in. Down with the brakes. Off. Get it turned in. Let's go down to second. Too aggressive. Second. Short shift to third. We turn in. We turn in. We flat. Get a bit of oversteer. There we go. Off the brake. Get off that brake pedal as soon as possible. Third gear. Fourth. Here we go. Down to the white line. Line on the brakes. Down to third. Get it turned in. There we go.
The driving
Smooth on
line
the
is so
brakes.
great.
And then get it turned in. Patient with the throttle. Down to second. Run it tight through here. Now let's run tight. Second. Third. Okay, dab on the brakes just to get it turned in. Keep it inside the white line. Line the brakes. Get off that brake pedal as soon as possible. Still got a bit of understeer because we're running quite tight through there. There, just a nice little drift. Okay, let's do a short shift. We're in second gear. Slightly too high revs. Accelerate third. Fourth. Flat to the floor. Fourth gear. Hold fourth. Fourth. Here we go. 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 And brake, 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 down to third, get it turned in, get it slowed down, and let the brakes cool down a bit. Right, okay, we're going to put everything on.
Traction.
Okay, traction control, everything on. Okay, third gear, flat to the floor, ready?
Yes.
Flat to the floor, feel it? Turn, flat to the floor, you can feel it holding back.
Yes, yes.
So, the way around that is be really smooth with the accelerator. Really smooth with the throttle. Feed it on nice and gently. Okay, but we turn. Look, flat. Oh, it's holding us back too much. Holding us back. Holding us back. So you feel it holding you back,
Yes,
you see?
it doesn't touch the accelerator.
So it's not as quick. Flat to the floor, ready?
Yes.
Light on the brakes. Turn. Foot to the floor. You can feel it, you see? Foot to the floor, see?
Yes.
So that's the difference, you see?
A great
You really
difference.
feel it. Really feel the difference. So right, what I'll do now, so do a bit of brake avoidance, okay?
Okay.
So this is good. So first gear, brake avoidance. I'm going to avoid those brakes, avoid those red cones. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Smooth on the power. Let's do a nice short shift. There we go. Stop in the box.
That's really amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Then slowly go. Okay, so that was like your brake avoidance. So that's with the ESP. That was with ABS, and that was both working at the same time. So that was doing its job, working at the same time, and my foot was flat to the floor of the brake pedal. Okay, brake, turn and avoid, okay?
Okay.
Paul, if you're a passenger, you can go. No, you go on, we're just warming up.
There we are.
Oh my god.
How was that?
That's really amazing.
So that was just nice and gracefully guided smoothness. So let's go out. Okay, that was with everything off. Let's go out.
Is this a gear controller?
Huh?
Is this transmission control?
Traction control. So that
Oh, okay,
so
traction.
you can
Traction
alter
level.
traction level. So,
Okay.
so I've got a little bit of traction. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So let's go out nice and slow. So let's drive. Let's drive just normally. Yeah, ready?
Okay.
Nice normal. Ready? Nice and fourth gear. We are down into third. This is like somebody drive me around like this. Third, fourth, fifth. Smooth on the brakes. Down 2. Off the brake. Turn. Pick up the throttle. Smooth on the brakes. Roll off the brake. Turn. Okay. Balance throttle. So a wet weather. If I was in the wet, I'd be like this. Ready?
Okay,
If I was in the wet, I'd be like this. Ready? Light on the brake. Turn. Pick up the gas. Roll on the brake. Off the brake. Turn it. Get it turned in. Now I'd be out here for the wet. You see? I'd be taking a slightly different line. I'll be turning very late down here, you see, keeping it all the way over to the left, short shifting it all the way around the outside here, you see. You see?
Oh, yes.
So that's a nice wet weather line, and then you can really drive it, you know, you can look.
Oh my god.
So we turn in, we turn in, we turn in, we turn in.
That's really aggressive and amazing at the same time.
But we want to be light on the brakes because the brakes are getting a bit hot.
Okay.
And then we're going to do a slow down lap and get them cooled off a bit. So, yeah. Feel good?
Yes, very good.
Someone's hit a cone. Who was that?
I guess it's maybe it was us because we were very near to it.
Oh, I don't think we clipped a cone.
Maybe the other drivers.
Maybe the other, yeah. Could have been. No, I don't think it was me.
In any case, your driving is really amazing. You never been in this in such wonderful ride.
No?
Yes.
Do you enjoy that?
Oh, yes, very much.
It's good to have you on board.
Thank you. How much does it do, like from 0 to 100 kilometers or 60 miles?
0 to 60 is about 3.6, 3.8, something like that.
Well, that's quite fast. Thank you very much for this
No worries,
amazing
no worries.
ride.
I was. It's all on USB as well, so if you wanted to pay for the USB, I think it's an extra £30, but you don't have to. Well, it's on video, but we hold on to it for 30 days if you decide. But you've enjoyed it though, anyway,
I will
haven't
check
you?
it and yeah, I will see if I will get it.
But we hold on to it for 30 days. You don't, you know, it's all about the day you've had. So I'm glad you've enjoyed it.
Thank you.
No worries.
It's really amazing.
No worries. Very well. Well done. Well done. Superb.
Thank you.
No worries. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.